Let's have word of the day for Tagalog learners. We are going to have this word for this video. This word has 3 different pronunciations and it means 4 different things. Pronounced as tubo. Tubo. The word means profit. Magkano ang tubo mo? Magkano ang tubo mo? Sharing the same pronunciation, the word could also mean sprout. And this is a root verb. Tumubo ang mga buto ng saluyot. Tumubo ang mga buto ng saluyot. And as you can see, we have our root verb there, capitalize. If you want to learn more about forming verbs, check the info section below for the link. It's one of my articles titled, How to Conjugate Tagalog Verbs, Types, and Tenses. Also, have you heard someone say, maganda ang tubo, referring to a seedling? Maganda ang tubo means a healthy seedling. But if we are going to translate it literally, it means that the way the seedling sprouted is beautiful, or that the seedling sprouted beautifully. Maganda ang tubo could also mean the profit is good, since these two share the same pronunciation. Pronouncing the word as tubo. Tubo means pipe. Inayos ng tubero ang tubo. Inayos ng tubero ang tubo. Pronounce as tubo. Tubo means sugarcane. Gusto kong magtanim ng tubo. Gusto kong magtanim ng tubo. I know it might be easy for some of you guys, but for those who are having a hard time with the different pronunciations, let's review. Tubo means profit or sprout. Tubo means sugarcane. Tubo, pipe. That's all for today's video. To watch more word of the day video lessons, go to my channel, scroll down and look for Tagalog word of the day playlist. And if you're looking for Tagalog lessons online, check the info section below for ITeach International Facebook page and their website link.